When me and Taeyong were planning arranged marriage for you both, but it seems like my bestie and brother-in-law have already planned a love marriage for themselves. Taeyong, yeah, we were about to surprise them, but they surprised us instead. Chuckle, Wayan, Taeyong, my own friend and brother-in-law betrayed us. They didn't tell us about their relationship. When Seung, we were about to tell you. Wayan, I see. Wayan, by the way, welcome to Kim family, my dear bestie. Or I should save the sister-in-law. Teasing smile, Nari cheeks get flesh red. Wine Omo, my bestie who never gets shy, is all red now. I see how love changes people. Wiggles her eyebrows in a teasing way. Nariya, stop it. Wine Taeyong, Wine, stop teasing my sister-in-law. Chuckle. Seong, thank you. Hyung, you are the best. Taeyong, because we will get plenty of time to tease them during their wedding. Seong wins, making them chuckle. Time skip after 6 months at Kim Mansion. Nari last spoon, I promise. Wine wins. No, I am full, please. Nari last spoon, and then we will take some medicine. That's it. Wine, what's medicine again? No, Nari, please. Wins, Nari, sorry, Wine, but you have to take them. Wine, nobody loves me. Fake cry. Nari, Wine, stop being childish and take this medicine, or should I call Taeyong to give them to you? Why no, please don't call him. I will take them. Angry put Nari chuckles. Wine, yeah, Nari, you're really bad. But don't worry, my time will come too. Then I will take a good revenge when you will be pregnant with Seong's baby. Nari cheeks get flesh red. Nari, yeah, take it now. Wine, I see someone is blushing. Nari, yeah, stop it now, Wine. Living room, Mrs. Kim. I'm so lucky to have Nari as my another daughter-in-law. She is handling us, our home, and Ryan so well and with responsibility. Mr. Kim, yes, you are right, dear Mrs. Kim. Yes, seeing Nari taking so much care of Wine, I think it was the right decision to call Taeyong and Wine here during Wine pregnancy. Mr. Kim, yes, absolutely, Mrs. Kim. Yes, is the new mansion ready by the way because Nari and Seong wedding is next month. We need to give them one just like we gifted to Wine and Taeyong. Mr. Kim, actually Seong has refused to take it. Mrs. Kim, but why? Mr. Kim, he says that they both will stay with us because Nari has never experienced what is it to have a family, so he wants her to experience it now. He wants her to get both husband and parents' love. Mrs. Kim, now I feel my Seong has grown up. Sure, honey, we will give her both mother and father's love, which she lacked till now. Mr. Kim, yes, for sure. Time skip. Nari was passing through a hallway with a bowl of melted chocolate. Suddenly, a hand pulls her inside a room and pins her on the wall. He keeps a hand on her mouth to prevent her from shouting, Seong, it's me. He removes his hand. Nari eyes widen after seeing him only in towel around his waist and water dripping on his bare chest from wet hair. She evidently moves her face to a side and becomes all red. Nari, yeah, Seong, wear something. Seong takes the bowl from her hand and keeps it on the table beside him and pins her hand above her head with his one hand. Nari, what are you doing? Eyes widen. He keeps a finger on her lips and whisper in her ears, causing her breath to uneven. Seong, you talk too much, baby. He then sniffs her neck and gives a peck on her crook of her neck. She gulps loudly. Seong, I have become so much addicted to your scent. Whispers, let's get married soon and make baby because I want to give my nephew niece a company. She blushes at his statement. He then tugs one strand of hair behind her ear and caresses her cheeks. He leans forward and gives a peck on her forehead. Nari, Seong, enough now. Someone will come, whispers. He gives kisses on her neck, causing butterflies to flutter and dance violently in her stomach. Though there was plenty of oxygen, but still she was breathing with difficulty. Seong, let them see how much I love my fiancé. He then attaches his lips on her and she closes her eyes to feel his love. They share a passionate kiss. They part after becoming breathlessly Seong, by the way, why are you carrying that chocolate ball with you? Nari, I was thinking to make chocolate cake for everyone. Smile. Seong, can I taste some chocolate? Nari, yeah, sure. He frees her hands and take that chocolate bowl. He takes some chocolate on his two fingers and applies it on Nari's neck. Nari, what are you? He doesn't let her complete and start licking on her neck, earning a soft moan from her. He smirks while licking. Taeyong, oh my holy eyes! Taeyong shouts and turns around quickly. Nari gets panic and pushes Seong away from her. Taeyong, yeah, you guys should do romance by closing the door. Anyways, Seong, dad is calling you. And by the way, nice idea. I will try it with Vian. He chuckles and leaves. Seong too quickly leaves, being all embarrassed and shy. Taeyong ruffles his hair. Seong, ish, my romantic moment is spoiled. Time skip at Taeyong's room. He enters his room and finds sleeping figure of Fine. He smiles to see her sleeping like a baby. He caresses her hair and gives a peck on her forehead. He lies down beside her and caresses her belly. Taeyong whispers to her belly, "Hello baby, I'm your appa. Are you doing good? Please come out quickly. We all are waiting for you." He smiles and gives a peck on her belly. Winds wake up by the movement around her and smiles, saying, Taeyong kisses her belly but pretends to be asleep. Taeyong Appa has planned too many things for you. We will go on picnics, amusement parks, and whenever my baby wants. Taeyong, please don't trouble your Amma much during her pregnancy. Vayan, yeah, Taeyong, what are you teaching my child? Taeyong, oh baby, you are awake. Sorry to wake you up. Vayan, it's okay. Thai smiles. She opens her arm and Taeyong hugs her and showers her with kisses all over her face, making her giggle. He then holds her hand, kisses their wedding ring on her hand. Taeyong, I'm so lucky to have you and my baby in my life. I love you so much. Wine, I love you too, Thai. Time skip at evening. Mrs. Kim, yeah, Seong, it's evening now, so drop her back to her home. Seong force, I wish she could stay for tonight too. Mrs. Kim, she will come back tomorrow morning and will be all yours after marriage. Now drop her. Seong whispers in Nari ear while leaving. Seong, make sure to compensate a night stay at your home by giving me my goodbye kiss. Nari blushes. Nari, okay, Seong. Mrs. Kim, don't stare at me like that. No means no. You won't get an extra piece of cake. Mr. Kim wins. But why my daughter has cooked it with so much love for us? Mrs. Kim, no honey, please control. You have diabetes. Mr. Kim, okay, let's make a deal. You give me one extra piece of cake and I will give you so many kisses in return. Wink. Mrs. Kim blushes a little. Mrs. Kim, no wonder why both the son of mine are cringing to their wives most of the time. Time skip at night. One wakes up. Taeyong, wine Tai Tai wake up please. Taeyong wakes up immediately and covers her face in concern. Taeyong, what happened? Wine, are you okay? Is our baby okay? Concerned wise. Wine pours. Wine, I want ice cream. Taeyong, ish wine. Your late night coughing will kill me one day. Wine chuckles. Taeyong, sorry love, I can't give that to you. Weather is so cold today and you want ice cream. Sorry, but I can't risk your and baby's life. Why, yeah, Tay, nothing will happen to us. Just one spoon, please. Taeyong, why no means no. Now sleep like a good girl. Come on, Wine pours angrily. Well, he kisses her hair to make her asleep. Time skip at midnight. Taeyong, yeah, Seong, what are you doing? Seong eyes widen and he immediately closes the door of fridge, giving a nervous smile to Taeyong. Seong, nothing. I was just searching for something to eat. Yeah, of course, with Vian having ice cream ball in her hand beside you. He switched on the light immediately. Vian screams, Vian, I'm sorry, Tai, please forgive me. Veins, Taeyong, I will see you in our room, baby. And Seong, you won't see Nari tomorrow. Seong, no, Hyung, please don't do this. Means she will block all her kisses for 1 week. Please, poor Vian. Yeah, Thai, please forgive us. Taeyong, oh, I see a third culprit is here too. He closes the kitchen door, revealing Mr. Kim with ice cream bowl in his hand, smiling nervously. Taeyong gives a done face. Taeyong, mom shouts, Mr. Kim, no, son, please don't call her. She will kill me. Why, Seong, Mr. Kim, please forgive us this time. Taeyong sniffs. Taeyong, okay, I forgive you all for one last time. Hwayan, come with me. He drags Hwayan with him. Mr. Kim shows a spoon of ice cream in his and Seong mouth. Mr. Kim, poor Hwayan, she did not get to taste this ice cream. Seong, yes, so sad. Mr. Kim, by the way, is some cake left? Look for it in the fridge. Seong gives him a done face. Seong, mom, shout. Mr. Kim, yeah, don't shout. I was asking just like that. Meanwhile, Taeyong lied down while facing the wall with Hwayan behind him. Hwayan, yeah, Thai, please, I'm sorry. Wins, Hwayan, baby, please ask your oppa to forgive me. She pecks his cheek while Taeyong wipes it off with his hand. One fake crying, sorry, please forgive me this time. I promise I won't do it again. Taeyong, promise mine, yes. If my baby wasn't inside you, I would have punished you for disappointing me, baby girl. She gulps Taeyong, but this time I forgive you. Now come and sleep. He pulls Wire in his embrace and pecks her lips. Taeyong, I love you so much. Wine, I love you too, Tai.